how to fix direct message option not showing on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do here is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. Then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this. Now go to the TikTok app and click on notifications management. Disable the notifications and enable them again. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Go back again, click on the power usage details. Click down here on this force stop and then open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone and update your TikTok from here. Don't forget to like, subscribe.